In this video, I will show you how to switch Instagram account from professional to personal account using the new Instagram settings and privacy feature. So just before I continue, if it's your first time, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss more of my coming videos. So first of all, I'm going to switch my account to professional account. And to do so, you click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. And then you select the three-dash menu at the top right corner. So from there you select settings and privacy, and then you scroll down under account type and tools. Then you click on it, account type and tools. So then you switch to professional account. So as I said, I'm just switching to professional account so that I show you how to switch back to personal. So here I can select digital creator, and then the account type I choose creator. Then you click next. Okay, so now that my account is a professional account, as you can see here, it's now a professional account. So in case your account is professional and you want to switch back to personal, you're going to click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then you click on the three-dash menu at the top right corner. Then you select settings and privacy. So when you scroll down and then you select account type and tools, you find that you don't have the option of switching it to personal. And this is the tricky part. So the whole trick is you're going to go back to account settings, and now on the search bar of settings and privacy, you're going to type creator. So you're just going to type creator or creator and tools, but just if you type creator, then you choose creator tools and controls, then you click on it. Then when you scroll down, you'll see the option of switch account type, the third last. Then you can switch to personal account. So that is the easiest way to switch your account from professional to personal if you're using the Instagram settings and privacy feature. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more.